Now for a check of the US market, CNN reporter Paul LaMonica joins us live from New York. Now, the market looks hopeful that US-China deal will finally be reached. Did the president say something that gave investors more confidence?
Yeah, he really didn't say much in his most recent remarks in New York. Stocks were flat before the comments from President Trump, and they're still largely unchanged, slightly higher. He did reiterate that he was hoping to get a good deal with China, but for the most part, he just renewed his attacks on the Federal Reserve and, sounded very much like a 2020, speech, for the next election, really a rally in that respect.
Yeah, we feel like we're in election campaign mode already there in the United States. Let's look at Disney. We know there was a big day for Disney, but there's been some technical glitches with its launch.
Yeah, there have been some issues, customers complaining that they are not able to watch programming on the new Disney Plus streaming service that is going to rival Netflix. But Wall Street seems okay with it so far. Disney is a stock that's up about 1.5% so far today, and Netflix shares are actually a little bit lower. I think investors worried about this competition.
Tell me about Burger King. You know, this is our favourite topic here on First Edition, Paul, the Impossible Whopper. It has been so successful in the US. Now, the Rebel Whopper, another plant-based burger, it's going to Europe. Tell us more.
Yeah, exactly. Burger King has really done well with the Impossible Whopper in the United States, and now they are going to be having a bigger test in Europe of the Rebel Whopper, which is made by a company called the Vegetarian Butcher, ironically enough, and that's owned by food giant Unilever. So it just goes to show that big food companies, it's not just Beyond Meat and Impossible, big food giants around the world are embracing these plant-based burgers, and Burger King is hoping to replicate the success it's had in the U.S., in Europe, and maybe coming to Australia someday soon.
Perhaps, Paul. Tell me about the stock of these plant-based meat companies. I mean, have we kind of missed the boat to get on board and invest? Are the shares already soaring?
Yeah, there's really only one right now that is publicly traded on Wall Street. That's Beyond Meat. Their stock, they went public a couple of months ago at 25, went as high as almost 250 before coming back down to about $80, $90. So they're still much higher than where they were when they debuted, but a lot of the euphoria has fizzled a little bit. And I don't think it's because people are souring on the food as much as just there's so much competition. You've got Impossible and all these other big food giants that are really trying to embrace this trend as well.
Paul LaMonica, always appreciate you keeping us informed on such issues. Appreciate it. See you soon.